Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into a topic that's on many of our minds: how to stop hair fall and grow hair naturally. If you're struggling with hair loss, don't worry, I've got you covered. First up, let's talk about the common causes. Hormonal imbalances like thyroid issues and PCOS, environmental factors such as pollution and UV rays, harsh styling, and yes, even genetics can all play a role in hair loss. But don't fret. Nutrition can be your best friend here. Vitamins like A, C, and E are vital. Vitamin A helps with sebum production, vitamin C boosts collagen, and vitamin E protects from environmental damage. Minerals are just as important. Iron helps deliver oxygen to your hair roots, zinc aids in protein production, and selenium keeps your scalp healthy. Don't forget biotin for keratin production, protein for strand strength, and omega-3 fatty acids to reduce inflammation. Fill your diet with lean meats, eggs, legumes, dairy, spinach, kale, fatty fish, flax seeds, walnuts, citrus fruits, pumpkin seeds, almonds, and cashews. Next, let's explore some natural remedies. Herbal oils like coconut, castor, rosemary, and peppermint can work wonders. Apply these for a 30-minute scalp treatment. DIY masks made from avocado and honey, egg and olive oil, or banana and yogurt are also fantastic. And don't underestimate the power of a good scalp massage. Use circular motions with your fingertips. When it comes to your daily hair care routine, be gentle. Use a sulfate-free shampoo, minimize heat styling, and try to air dry your hair when possible. A wide-tooth comb can help reduce breakage, and applying a nourishing hair serum or oil on the ends can keep them healthy. Supplements can also support your hair growth journey, but always consult with a doctor first. Biotin, iron, zinc, and vitamins C, D, and E can be beneficial. Lifestyle changes are crucial too. Reducing stress through meditation, yoga, and deep breathing can make a big difference. Staying hydrated, eating a balanced diet, and getting regular exercise are essential. Avoid common hair care mistakes like excessive heat styling, harsh chemical treatments, and improper brushing, especially when your hair is wet. Pay attention to your scalp health and make sure you're drinking enough water. Stress management cannot be overstated. Relaxation techniques, regular exercise, a healthy sleep routine, and having a support system are key. Switching to chemical-free hair products can also be beneficial. Look for natural or organic options and avoid sulfates, parabens, and synthetic additives. Opt for products with plant oils, botanical extracts, and vitamins. Lastly, remember that hair growth takes time. Be patient and track your progress with photos and measurements. If needed, consult a professional like a trichologist or dermatologist. That's it for today's video on natural ways to prevent hair loss and boost growth. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.